Hi guys, this is our another video about the circle. So based on the past two videos, we talk about central angle and the tangent basically. So we are gonna use those knowledge on today's learning. So first of all, let's see this question. So for this question, as we see in this figure, TA and TG are both tangent to circle N. So that means this one and this one, they are tangent. So based on the conjectures we learned from the last video, we know conjecture 1 right here, which is the radius perpendicular to the tangent, okay? And conjecture 2, which is this segment equal this segment, okay? So we're going to use it here. So first of all, as we know, this is a major arc. This is a major arc, which is 220. So as we know, the whole circle is 360. So if this is 220, then the other part, which is this one, that will be 140. Okay, so if this is 140, we have a conjecture, which is the central circle, the central angle, which is the angle N, will be the same as the minor arc it faces. Okay, so that means this angle N will be 140 as well. Okay, so after we know this is 140, and we also know this is perpendicular, because tangent, the radius, they all perpendicular here. Okay, and we want to find the measure ATG, which is this angle. Okay, so as we learned from the quadrilateral, as we know, the sum of quadrilateral is 360. So if we know this is 140, this is 90, this is 90, so we can find the measure of angle TAG, which is 360. It's a total, and 90 plus, this is 90 plus 90 plus 140, that will be, this is 180, is 320. Okay, so 360 total, subtract 320, that will be 40. So this angle will be 40 degrees. That is the answer. Okay, so next one, which is this one. So for this one, R and S are tangent. Find the measure of X. We want to find this angle X. So first of all, as we know they are tangent, that means we know this one equal this one. So this is a triangle, right? And it's a special triangle, which is isosceles triangle, because two legs are equal to each other. So if this is 80, as we know, the sum of triangle is 180, right? So if 180, we minus 80, that's equal 100. So 100 is this angle plus this angle. Since this is an isosceles triangle, that means this angle equal this angle. So they are equal to each other. So we can divide it by 2, which is 50 for each So x equal 50 degree. Okay? And this way. And one more example. So for this example, we want to determine if line segment AB is the segment to circle C or not. As the conjecture 1, as we know, if they are tangent, that means it will perpendicular to the radius, right? So we basically want to find out if this angle is 90 or not. Okay, this angle B is at 90 or not. So as we see, this is the triangle, and we want to prove if this is a right triangle or not. We can use the Pythagorean theorem, right? Pythagorean theorem. So for the Pythagorean theorem, what we have is equation is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This is the Pythagorean theorem equation. And we want, this is A, this is B, and the longest is always C. Okay, it doesn't matter A, B, but C is always the longest. We can plug into the number here, which is 6 squared plus 3 squared. If that's equal what? 36 plus 9 squared is 3 squared is 9. That's equal 45. Okay, and let's see, 7 squared equal 49. So they are not 45, doesn't equal 49. So that means the answer is no. A squared plus b squared doesn't equal c squared. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching.